All right, now that we've dusted our board with our flour, we're gonna grab our dough and knead it a little bit. Get it all full of flour so it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. We use about 1/4 cup of flour to do this. Now you're gonna take your rolling pin. You're gonna dust your rolling pin, just so it doesn't stick. My hands have been thoroughly clean. Let me get you my baking pan. Sorry for the noise. All right, so we're gonna take our baking pan. We already put a little bit of flour on. We're gonna spray our pan so it doesn't stick. Roll our pan. Alright. Roll your dough out like this. Put your pan a little close. And you're going to do like this and slowly roll it over it. Yep, it's gonna break. I know. That's okay. All right, our next step is going to be, we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna make the part that's gonna be the Tarte bouillie custard. That's gonna go right here in this pie shell.